Okay, dear students, am I audible to you? Dear students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Ranjit,
Yeah,
Balabai,
yes,
then
sir.
Prashant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only
Good,
three are there
good
today.
morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Ranjit. Good morning. How you people are?
Good, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing good, man. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, your offline classes has been also started, and the online class also running simultaneously. Fine. So the amount of students are shifting from online to offline and offline to offline online, right? So a lot of mess is there. But still, anyway, you people are there. Then we're going to continue with the class. Okay. Okay. Fine. Should I continue the class? Let's begin with the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. The screen is visible now to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, if I recall, what we people have done in your previous class. Okay. The first class of your module 4, that we people have discussed something about the store management. Fine. Then we people have done with the type of recording that has been done, the coding system which is used, and the common type of coding systems which we people have already classified and also discussed, and also how best people can make the store and the related aspects manageable in the store, how best you people can handle the material handling into the retail stores, and few of the examples were also given by going through this lifting material handling equipments which we are going to use, and also we will have discussion on some management of modern retail which is majorly focusing on how best the in-store advertising can be done or marketing can be done, and each amount which has been spent for advertising and making good money out of it, by having greater sales because of that. So how best people can use some technology, the store design, okay, and how best visual displays also can be used, right? And also the type of promotion strategy can be used in increasing the sales as well as increasing the profits. Next, we have something also we have discussed on the type of store layouts, like grid layout we people have discussed, and we people have gone through the loop type of design. Fine. All the related the type of structures will also be discussed by showing you that. Then also we people have discussed on free flow layout. Fine, which you people find in some exclusive type of showrooms, okay? And for exclusive brands those people come with. And also we people have discussed on some type of spine layout where fine it is something look like a zigzag and more advantages also. when the space is not so much high enough for any retailer in developing a store design. Okay. Now, did we have completed this signage and graphics, Ranjit?
Yes, sir.
No, had we continued with this class? I mean, this, or we have to start with this now?
Actually, sir, last class I got missed, so I don't know, sir, that.
Anyway, if it's a confusion, then we'll begin with this then. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I welcome you people for your module 4, store management and visual merchandising chapter in your retail management subject. Fine. So as we people have discussed on certain issues just now, now let's begin with the concepts which we people have left in the last class. Okay, this is what it is. So we are going to start with your signage and graphics, which are very important. In making or coming with some good appeal to the customers regarding their purchasing behavior, where people can alter on the basis of these signage and graphics, which will be making the customer very present at the time of shopping into the retail stores, and also you people can provoke them to buy more and more merchandise on the basis of how you people make them more comfortable by using this. Okay, and convincing them with information which is has to be given to them clearly, okay, ethically, what you people can find practices which can be helping you people to reach your customers with the required information to them regarding any product or services. Fine. So anyway, these signage and also the graphics will be having a great help, okay, in the retail business, where which will be helping the customers to find where exactly the type of or a specific type of products are located in the store, and what type of departments are there, and departments locations to find them. Okay, and as I told you, where even these both signage and the graphics will be giving a product information in a very attractive way, and also will be suggesting the customers to what to buy. Okay, it will be helping them to find what specific purchases those people can do, okay, on the basis of the information provided them, and how best those people can match with the needs and wants of those customers. Fine. Especially when we start with this graphic, such as we use some photo panels. Fine. Which will be helping to increase the image of the stores. Fine. From the present to the future, where you people can strengthen the present image of the retail store. And but when it comes to the signage, they will be helping or giving some direction to the customers in finding the location of the merchandise or a specific category which those people are looking for, okay, within the store. And also the type of products which are going to be offered in the store, okay, are related to a different type of categories. Those all information will be given by the same page. Okay, then now the retailers usually use these in increasing the image of the store, as I told you people. And such as some pictures of the people are going to be used, some places that people do, just it will be helping to create a mood for the customers to buy a product from that particular store. Somewhere it will be helping customers, as well as major help will be for a retailer. Well, those people are going to increase the interest of the customers in different type of product and services which are going to be offered in the retail store. Fine. So there are some different types of signs. We have, like the category signage, where this will be especially used in a store to locate or say that some particular type of a department which is there in certain location of that particular store. And the also it can say that sector of the store we can say. The name itself say that where in that particular category, what number of products from different brand, I mean different companies or different brands are going to be offered by the store. This is what it is. Where the main purpose of this type of category signage is that customers can easily identify which type of or different types of products which are going to be offered in that category. And also they are usually located very much near to the goods which those people are can refer to. Fine. And we have second like promotional signage where this is usually people can find in the form of window display. Especially they are located in the entrance of the store, which will be helping customers to know about what offers are going on into the stores, and ultimately provoking those customers to enter into the store. Fine. So ultimately the customers get encouraged because of that. Promotional signage where some discounts are given, or any information related to the best buy what those people can do as a customers, that will be shown or displayed. Then we have point of sale signage. This is something like you people can use it for a type of buying, where those people have not planned. The customers have not planned it by going through such things that offer makes them to get interest, and those people can go for the further transaction. Well, these type of signs are usually placed very much near to the merchandise which is into such type of promotional offer. Fine. And also the help what that type of promotion gives to the customer regarding the price, what is the price and what level of discount those people are getting on that, and everything detailed information about that will be given. Sometimes what happens, this type of promotion point of sale signage can also be printed on the product itself. Some when you go through the product labels, even product labels can also easily tell you people what amount of discount is there or what is the price cut. Fine. And sometimes what happens is like the amount of uh, you know they say the quantity into that product package can be also increased, saying that 25% extra that you people are going to get if you are going to buy that product. So probably that can also be helping your customers in joining. Okay. And next we have digital signage where we use technology here. This is the type of visual content which will be delivered to the customers digitally, and this is something like going to be managed by the store people centrally. A server will be there which will be centrally located, and to the from that the different types of nodes what those people have different nodes of the servers, they will be receiving the information from the central server. Okay, where you people can use some flat panel type of screens or televisions, for an example, like you people can use some bigger screens where flat screens which will be giving complete information about the type of offers which is going to be there in the retail store, and different type of the category products which are available in the stores, and that will be helping in giving or furnishing complete information about the store in a digitally the way of the digital those people can help or reach the customers. Remember, this type of digital signage are very attractive enough for any customers, no doubt, and it gives a greatest opportunity for any retailer in increasing the image of the store and also the environment into it, where any complex graphical type of displays will be uh, you know gaining some importance in the minds of customers, and the customers find that it's very good appealing one, right? Those people can go for purchase. These are the example, like if you see such a a flat screen displays, those will be attracting the customers viewpoint at that particular store, and that will also be helping the customers to enter inside and explore whatever information has been given on the screen. Okay. Now, when we talk about these layouts, no, some external factors are there. You just recall all the four layouts what people have discussed. Okay, and those layouts have certain external factors as well as internal factors. when especially when it comes to your external factors, no, size matters a lot. If say size must be very much bigger or adequate, where people can accommodate the entire business needs, which are like, the appearance should be something like which will be creating a proper image of the retail store, which can portray certain personality, fine, for the business, where the customers find that their personality and the type of personality which is being portrayed by the business, that match, if it matches, there is a possibility that the transaction can happen. And remember, the entrance, when you people are going to develop, or say the entrance, when you're going to arrange certain ideas at the entrance point, where that can also help you people to increase interest among the customers to enter the store. So somewhere interest, the entrance must be, must invite the customers to come in, somewhere, if those people should get an interest, and let them find an interesting to visit the store. So when you people are creating effective window displays, and those themes, what do people use now, in the window displays, those should be changed often, as and when it is required, on the basis of seasonal basis, or any other new type of strategies any retailer want to develop. According to that, that displays has to be developed, where those displays should be supporting a strategy of the retailer. So they should be very much helping in increasing the sales for any retailer. So there are certain, building interiors, like we go with the ergonomics. This is something, interaction, what happens, between the uh, working environment inside the store, and as well as the sales people are working inside the store. So how best that environment is helping workers into the store, okay, and how best that relation or interaction is going to be enhanced. We say it as what? Ergonomics. Fine. So that is, this should be the very integral part of any interior design of the store, where the design of the store should help, say, sales people or working people or team, that they can do pleasantly the work which has been given to them. So probably that can help, to increase the sales in a better way. So next, where proper layout and designs pay off in a very high productivity, no doubt, and efficiency can also be brought. When you see the sales, that will be giving you some, hunches to understand, how best the layout has been developed, and that layout is helping any business, retailer in developing a good strategy. Fine. So here, this layout design, and also, the use of proper layout in that particular area, on the basis of the square foot space, floor space, which is available to the retailer. So that can help, efficient use of that, which will be increasing the sales. Then lighting should be in a such a way that interior lighting should be in a such a way that which will be ideal to the type of business those people are going to do. Now, see the type of, if you go to jewelry stores, you find, very uh, too much of lighting. You people find where that can increase the visibility of the ornaments in a very better way. Fine. So if you go to apparel stores, if you see that, one color can also matters a lot, which is there in your next line. Okay, the lighting there. If you go to some, different type of restaurants, some type of restaurants could be having a dim light, a light which is not so much powerful enough, when it comes to the visibility. Maybe that can be helping, a type of business people to accommodate customers on the basis of their convenience. Then we have next, proper selection of the colors, which will be creating some impression among the customers as well as the employees. Those all things we have now. For all these, we have an examples in the next slide. Okay, and also, that can make some, whatever the interior people construct, that should build some sense among the customers, which will be helping you people to boost the sales of the retail store. These all comes under your visual merchandising. Fine. See here, when it comes to the visual merchandising, the use and also the manipulation of attractive sales displays, especially when you people are going to display your products. Okay, the way people display the products can also help you to attract the customers towards them. Okay, remember this, the manipulation or the use of this virtual merchandise is very much important in creating image and as well as sustaining them in the mind of customers. So that's why we say the use and the manipulation of attractive sales displays, and how best people can utilize the retail floor, and how best people can manage the floor of the retail in a better way in displaying your products or entire merchandise will help you people to boost the sales and also to encourage or engage the customers in the selling process. Fine. So in this type of visual merchandising, the products which are going to be sold should be typically displayed, okay, in such a way that it will be helping any retailer in attracting the customers, okay, as well as drawing the attention of them towards the type of products which are sold and the features related to the products. Also, the benefits. Okay, now we go with that. Whatever in interior we people have discussed, like what window displays, how entrance should be there. Fine. Okay, am I audible to people?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now we have something featured areas where the the area within the store how it should be designed just to get an attention of the customers, which are which includes what some window displays. We have an entrance, how we people can make an entrance and display to the customers. Fine. So when we talk about these windows, no, these are type of displays which will be, as I told you, which will be drawing the customers attention towards the store, and the customers will be entering into the store because of the display what you have, a window display. Fine. And which will be going to provide such a message, a visual message to the customers regarding the type of merchandise which is offered into the stores. Okay. And also it will be helping the customers, okay, and I mean main to the retailers where they can portray what type of message with respect to the type of image a store has, okay, in that particular area. So we have an entrance here. Usually we say no, first impression is the best impression. So when customers go on a shopping on a street, those people are going to enter in such a stores which will be giving them such an impression that a type of need or a requirement of the customers which is there, that will be surely catered by those type of stores on the basis of how it is going to be visible to the customers. Fine. So especially the first impression, as I told, which will be causing interest into the customers to enter that particular store, and also customers can cultivate a certain type of image about the store. Fine. Especially in departmental store, very important typically, especially like the cosmetic type of stores or maybe some fragrance category type of stores. Okay, if you see the entrance of them are very good enough, very creative one, and also when you see it, that appeals to certain customers, that some type of excitement is created among the customers where those people sense themselves that there may be a type of products which can be helping them to cater their needs, or sometimes on the basis of sudden provoke of the interest of the customer to buy it without planning. What we say it as impulsive type of buying behavior can be created by this type of entrance display. For example, I can see windows. If you see, okay, as well as the entrance what we have, if you see that in the entrance, the way it has been arranged inside, the glasses which has been used to be very transparent for the customers to see what exactly may be there inside the store, which will be helping them in entering the store. Okay, we have a free-standing display area. Especially, we say it as like fixtures, or we say it as mannequins, which are going to be located in between the passage of two racks. What we say it as aisles, and also uh, the design can be developed primarily just to attract the customers' attention towards the store. And somehow if the are very successful enough in creating attention towards the store, they can bring them into the store. Fine. So we are going to use these type of freestanding displays by using a rack track, or we say it as free from the layout. You see the example here for the freestanding display. Fine. Near the rack track, or say near the any type of type of layout, you may be using it. So these freestanding displays, fine, you see that KitKat and the related products of Nestle has been displayed by using certain freestanding concept. Fine. So especially these are type of fixtures which are often we people can use in the form of display. Okay, and we are going to use these type of freestanding displays when we find a new exciting type of products has come into the market and we want to portray them to the customers. And also maybe if they are very costliest items, little bit costliest items which customers find themselves very comfortable, okay, at the time of shopping, to buy it. And we have end caps here, very simple one. End caps, when you say these are the end caps, fine, at the end of your say aisles, you people can easily find them. See here, 1 minute. Hold on. Okay. Now these are your free standing aisles where at the end of the rack you people can find these end caps. Fine. See here. This is what it is. End caps. Fine. Okay. Now see the end caps. Usually they are going to be displayed at the end of the aisles in the store, using any type of grid layout. And due to the type of visibility those people have, okay, as an end caps, you can expect a sales dramatically, which is going to increase for that particular type of product which is been located in that particular type of end caps. Especially this can be very helpful for any retailer in increasing the impulsive type of behavior for different type of merchandise. Okay. And also the high margin type of products are kept. Fine. See here, this is what it is. Hmm? Okay. Now we have a promotion aisles or area where the space which you people find, as I said, between two racks. Okay, that space can be utilized for displaying what type of promotion is happening in that particular rack for that a specific product which has been located in the shelves. See here. Okay. Now see, 30% off. For what? It is for any Colgate product, it is 30% off on the MRP. So they do it what? That specific product which is been situated in that particular rack here, in this rack. Okay. And this sign, whatever you people find, no, the 30% sign, that easily tells that, okay, these are the products which are in this specific rack. I have some discount on them. Then we have next walls. Okay, we are going to utilize the complete wall with certain fixtures. Okay, see here. Now see, because thing is with the limited space what retailer get, okay, on the floor, he can show his ability to display some excess products and utilize the entire space of the retail. He can use the walls. Okay, whatever the extra stuff he has, no, if you want to put in the store, okay, to make it more display, these walls can be helping him in making those product displayed on them. See here, the especially this requires a lot of creative type of idea for any retailer while presenting, okay, a message which is required for any customers to understand regarding any type of product or services he is looking for. Okay, and he can use it better in a better way because the space on the wall can be helping them to type certain type of products, and it should be very easy for any customers to be visible. Then we have now, like merchandise can be stored on shelves and racks. Okay, along with that, and also coordinate with the type of display which you people find on the wall. Some photographs can be used, or some graphics people can use, okay, to display the information on the walls. Fine, this is what your the example for that. Then we have a dressing rooms. That's a very important space where the customer get a lot of time in deciding upon what to buy. Okay, and he goes. Especially this is people find in apparel stores, fashion stores. Fine, where the apparel can be used in the dressing room to see to it that how best they fit for him. Fine. So this is a very critical or important space where customers can decide upon whether to buy the product or not. Okay, any item, whatever those people have wish. Especially the larger the space is, the clean the space is, and how much people make comfortable a customer for being in that dressing room can help a customers in creating themselves a mood to buy a merchandise. Here we have an example. Actually, the dressing room where two to three people can also help them in deciding upon whether to buy or not. If you see here, okay, these are the dressing rooms where the other relatives can wait in here. Once they come with that particular dress, they can decide upon. All the mirrors are there. Fine. So ultimately, good lighting will be there, and there's such a bigger and free and clean space can help them to sit and think about their purchase decision. Fine, regarding that particular product. Then we have a cash wraps, especially we also say it as like point of purchase counters. Fine, or also we can say it as checkout areas where the customers will be moving out of the store. Okay, okay, after the purchase, you can take it as a billing counters also. Okay, here, because many type of customers go to these type of areas and they wait for a billing after making a type of purchase. Fine. So at the time, that time, when they are waiting, that makes them to pay attention towards such a cash grabs and see to it that what else can be purchased. Fine. Especially retailers will be using this type of cash rack or space to create an impulse type of buying among the customers. Here we have an example. See, now this is the billing counter, the cash counter. Fine, the executive or the owner of the retail store will be standing here and helping you people to pass through this billing counter. Fine. So when you people are waiting here, okay, few customers. Now these all products which you people find now, these all products by standing in that particular space can provoke a customers to buy for the go for the chocolate, some items which can be used for creating good image of the making a beautification of the house. So such type of type of buying can also happen in the cash wraps. Fine. So we have some fixtures here where they are all something fixed in that certain places. Okay. We have straight rack, like long pipe suspended and with support onto the floor like this. Okay. There is a support for the floor and also which will be attached. Sometimes it will be attached to the walls also in a reverse way. Okay. It can be attached to the walls, and these all what I say, long pipes, okay, will be helping to hold a different type of products or merchandise. You can especially can find these type of things into electronic stores as well as in your apparel stores. Then we have like uh, gondola type of fixture where you find large base, you have a large base and you are going to use it in a very vertical, okay, vertical manner, right? Vertical spine we say, or sometimes it can be fixed to the walls also, okay, with using certain sockets or notches into a variety of shelves that can be used. You can use some peg hooks for fixing them into the walls, fine, etc. You find these type of gondolas in free space, okay, especially when you see the free space into that they are going to set. Then we have four-way fixtures. If you see one, okay, you find four-way fixtures where the cross bars are going to be used, that will be used for particular product which can be easily stored there. For example, like you have one, two, say for example behind you can find two other, so almost we say it as what, four-way fixture. Two cross bars people can find in two and four-way. Then we have like a round rack, round fixture that can sit on a pedestal, especially when somebody is working round you people can find. This is round require round fixture that can be fitted up in that particular place. And we have the third one like other common type of fixtures. You can use large bin or say flat based desks. You can put all the products inside it and people can collect out of it. Okay. The next we have something like merchandise which will be display. Okay, if people can plan on that. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll continue this into your next class. Fine. Okay, till here, do you people have any doubts? Any
No,
doubts that you
sir.
people have?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, I thought that why I've stopped is because too much things can lead into a confusion for you people. Fine. So many type of concepts for pictures, for visual display. It's a plenty you people find. So what I request is that have little today. In the next class we'll have little. Go through you can use your retail management book by Levy. Go through it. It has been taken from there only. Fine. Refer from there and see to it that how much it is possible for you people to keep in the mind, and you brush it again and again. The same thing probably can help you people in retaining them into your mind for your final semester exams. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please
Okay.
upload the recorded sessions on YouTube.
We are going to upload. Anyway, I have uploaded. Have you gone through, Minas?
No, sir.
I have uploaded almost
Yes, sir.
all I
Yes,
have
sir.
uploaded.
Okay, sir. I will see.
Please, have some correct what we say the wording while you people are searching no into the YouTube. Okay, have proper wording which can help you people to find. Huh? Anyway, another 2 3 are there. Two maximum, maybe two, one or two classes we have. That I will be uploading, Minas. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm? Anybody else?
Sir.
Anisa, Balabai, Megha, Nisarg,
Hello, sir.
Ranjit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts you people have?
No, sir.
No. Then Tanvi, Tejasvi,
Sir.
Vaishnavi, Yashin.
Yes, sir. I'm calling you from that time, sir.
Oh, okay. Tell me, Yashin,
Sir,
any doubts you
actually,
have?
not a doubt, sir, but actually, you have put it in the group that link will be open at 11:58, sir,
Hmm.
and class has
The,
started at 11:30 only.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
I'm very sorry, yaar. Sometimes happens. Okay. Anyway,
Yes,
whatever I may put, please don't bother about that. Anyway, the class has been going to be started at 11:30. No, you be ready at
yes,
11:30. If I make any mistake, huh? Maybe a
okay,
typing
sir.
error happened. It is my mistake only, Yashin. Fine.
Yes,
Sir, therefore, I
Okay.
am also logging at 12:58, 11:58.
No need to worry. Anyway, this class is recorded. Yashin. Fine. Minas.
yes, sir. Yes.
Anyway, this class is
Okay,
recorded.
okay,
No,
sir.
I will upload it. Fine.
Okay, sir. Fine.
You will not miss it. You have any doubts, regarding that, you people can discuss in the next class. Fine. Go through it.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you people find, you please, come to me on the online. We'll discuss it and finish it off. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Okay. Huh? Fine. Immediately you people have to reply, Yashin. If you find it, no, 11, there's something, please, you can reply me. Fine. I will
Yes, sir.
make
Yes.
corrections. I think this is second time it has happened.
Yeah. No. Yes, sir.
Yeah, today I was having both the classes, offline and online. I'm a little bit confused today. The same subject. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So should
Yes,
we,
sir.
stop the class today? Shall we conclude the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. All of you have a nice day. Fine. Bye.